Okay guys, so we did an accent wall in the last episode, which you saw, but that didn't suffice because Miss Jana needs some more. All right, so we are going to embrace the wood that's already in this house and add a little bit more. You can see in the background here, we've got our cedar shelf, we've got our big cedar island table, and our big cedar mantelpiece. I love that cedar. So what we're gonna do is we are going to add a wood element vertical just to the left of this wood. So it's probably a 2-foot vertical stripe going right up there of wood. And we've decided to use this product here. This is actually not cedar, but it looks a lot like it. It's called teak. It's called Regatta Teak by Shaw Industries, Shaw Floors. It is flooring. So we are gonna put it in a vertical fashion on the wall, and I'm really excited about it. The other thing that we've decided to do is add another teak accent wall over here. Not exactly sure where it's gonna start and stop, but it will be pretty much centered behind that cedar table. I'm looking forward to this. Something I've been waiting for a while. Alright guys, so I got a good bit of the flooring on the wall. The ladder's in the way so you can't see it, but it actually goes pretty quick. But what I'm actually doing, I wouldn't recommend this installation for the floor. Floor takes a lot of traffic, but I'm actually using a liquid nails panel glue, and I'm doing an S curve back and forth on the back. When I put it on the wall, I'm putting it up and pulling down a little bit so it actually disperses some of the glue, so it's not just stuck in the S pattern. It actually does kind of smooth it on. Of course, if you wanted to buy wood adhesive, trowel it on the back and all that, you could. It's a lot more messy when you're going vertical, so I chose not to do that. But we're at the point now where I got to make my first cut, so I'm going to do that, and hopefully we'll have this thing knocked out in the next 30-40 minutes. All right, as you can see, we got 3 rows up and we need a 4th row, only this is a cut board, which means that I got to get my table saw out and rip that board. Now, what's really cool about this Regatta Teak is it comes in some long links. I was very impressed with the links that come in it. And so there's not gonna be a lot of joints. It's only 4 boards that we're gonna use in here. So 4 more cuts and I'm gonna call this project done. Let me get started. Okay guys, we have completed this corner. Let me take you on a trip. There we go. All right, guys, the next project is that wall. Here we go. Well, we are considering leaving it narrow like that. Let me see if I can get a full, I don't know. I think we need to go probably 2 to 3 more plank widths on each side. Well, as you guys can see, Janice knocked out the paint on both sides of the teak wall. I am really loving this. I haven't hung the pictures yet, but we're not far from completion. Guys, I hope you really like this project. It's simple, it's easy to do, not very expensive. Just takes a little bit of sweat equity, and you can have a teak wall like this too.